So let's get a little backstory. You've been living in this house for a few years now, and you had a tin roof?
Yes, and then it started leaking. And I'm gonna say it was a God-sent message because every time I turned around, I was on the TV, the commercial. Finally, I said, Lord, okay, I get it. I'm gonna call because it was a free estimate and all that good stuff. So I did, set up an appointment, and it was like a piece of cake.
So Travis, you handle everything installations. You make sure our installations are successful, on time, and under budget. Can you talk to us a little bit about the installation process?
Once we get in contact with the customer to set up to do their inspection, we then make a time and arrangement to meet with them out on their property. We go over the needs of the customer, the reason why they called us, the reason why they need a new roof. The first thing we do is we ask the customer, what is the reason you're looking for a new roof? We come out, we look at the structural part of the roof, make sure that what we're going to do and the work we're performing will actually work with the roof. Once we get all of our inspections taken care of, then we will be able to set up the delivery date and the installation date.
A gentleman came, his name is Michael. He sat me down, he explained the process, what you have to go through and stuff. He just took his time. He was really good about his job, well knowledgeable of his job. And then from there, coming in from work, they was on the top and they was putting the roof on. And you could see they did a good job. I mean, real good. Oh God.